When it comes to picking stocks, you should have a very simple flowchart to stop you being confused. Here's one I've made earlier. This one relates to cash. There's a separate one for what to do with your existing portfolio. And it really just takes you through asking yourself, what's your risk appetite? If you're feeling risk averse, there might be a variety of reasons for doing that. If you watch my Telegram channel, I do a weekly update which tells you what your risk appetite should be for your investments going forward. If you're risk averse, you might wait a month, or you might pound cost or dollar cost average in over a period of time. When you're ready or you're risk loving, then you should have an approved list of stocks, preferably with volatility under 20% and probably larger cap companies. Or if you want to take more risk, have what I call special situations where there's volatility over 20% and smaller caps as well. If you want to learn more about having a systematic approach, it's part of my campaign for 1 million to teach 1 million people how to be better investors. Have a look at alpeshpatel.com/links. And of course, please do like and subscribe to this video and do share it with others. Thank you very much.